Welcome to the WipFrag Basic tutorial. We will demonstrate how to create an account and analyze an image in 3 easy steps. To get started, select the Create an Account icon and fill in the required fields. Once the account is made, log in. To import an analysis, tap the plus icon. Then select New Analysis and choose an image from your library. Once the image has loaded, the first step is to set the scale. Tap the ruler icon. Adjust the scale type if your image is using dual scale. Input the measurements of your scale and select the appropriate units. To define the scale length, tap and hold to draw the scale, release when the scale has been properly set. The second step is to generate the edge detection parameters. Tap on the Generate Edge Detection icon and allow it to load. You can move the slider around to fit the material. Tap the chart icon in the upper right corner to view the results. You will need to spend 1 credit to unlock the results or have purchased an annual subscription. The chart has 4 areas: the chart title, the size classes and percent passing values, the graph, and the data box. Tapping on any of these areas will allow you to adjust them. Tapping on the export icon will allow you to share the results in formats such as PDF, PNG, CSV, or the WipFrag ANA file. Please see the WipFrag 4 manual or view the advanced tutorial for more information. Thank you for watching.